Hello, all over the world, forex traders have a great and successful day, friends. This is gold chart M5, and this is the first Elliott waves. This is second, and this one is third Elliott waves is complete here, and now is retracement for four Elliott waves. This is my analysis. They can touch these places, and between 19 and 1893 and 1892 between they can go back, and finally they can touch 1898 and 1900, and 1902 is the final. After that they can make zigzag. If the cross of the 1902, they can touch 9000, 1910 and 12. Have a great and successful day. Thank you. Bye.